Unraveling the Fun of Pre-Parties, a Language Journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, pre-party. This term is not just a word but a window into a cultural phenomenon. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a social butterfly, understanding this phrase will add an interesting layer to your English vocabulary. So, let's get the party started. A pre-party is a smaller gathering that occurs before the main event or party. Think of it as the appetizer to the main course. It's a time when people come together to socialize, often with drinks and light snacks, before heading to a larger event. This concept is popular among young adults and is associated with a casual, relaxed atmosphere. The key aspects of a pre-party include its timing, before the main event, and its social nature. While the exact origin of pre-party is unclear, it's a term that has gained popularity in recent years, especially in Western cultures. It's often used in casual, informal settings. You might hear someone say, "We're having a pre-party at my place before the concert." This indicates that there is a small, informal gathering before the main event. The concept of a pre-party is not just about socializing but also about building excitement for the main event. It's a cultural practice where people can bond, relax, and prepare for a larger event. In many cultures, this is a way to extend the enjoyment of a social event and is especially popular among younger generations. 1. Are you coming to the pre-party at Jenna's before the New Year's Eve bash? 2. We had such a fun pre-party. It set the tone for an amazing night. 3. The pre-party is usually more relaxed than the main event. By using these examples, learners can understand how the term fits into everyday conversation. I hope this video has illuminated the fun and social aspect of the term pre-party in the English language. It's not just a word but a reflection of a cultural practice that emphasizes social connections and enjoyment. Remember, language learning is not just about words but the stories and cultures behind them. Happy learning, and I hope you enjoy your next pre-party or the discussion about it.